Alrighty, this is vlog number 2 by Joe Klein, period number 2 English. My 30 days challenge is to drink only water, but eat as I normally do and exercise as I normally do for 30 days. So far this week, it's been a lot different than last week, I can tell you that much. I only messed up once, which was fantastic. The only reason was because I ate a really spicy chicken sandwich, but I didn't really know how spicy it was. And I had to drink milk because I was sweating. I was burning. My mouth was on fire. But other than that, I haven't screwed up. I've been really consistent with drinking water. I drink a lot of water every day. I'm also noticing that when I work out, I'm able to do more. I exercise about 3 times this week, which is as I normally do. But I was able to do more. So yesterday I worked out and I ran 4 miles instead of 3, which is, I mean, obviously it's not that big of a difference, but it is a difference. And on the bench the other day I did 12 reps instead of 14. Just little things like that. Like, it's not much, and I don't know if it's because the water's helping me physically, but it might be a case of, something up here mentally instead of, bronze. It's up here. It's in the head. Regardless, I'm doing more, and I feel that it's because of my water intake. I'm also noticing that I'm not tired during the day a lot. I used to get really tired around lunchtime after 5th period. Going into 6th and 7th, sometimes I've had like a sweet tea or something like that to get me through. But now I drink water and I'm not tired, and it's kind of odd because I didn't know if that was going to be affected at the beginning of this 30-day challenge. But I am tired if I get no sleep, which is obvious. If I get 5 hours of sleep, I'm going to be exhausted. I also feel my confidence is really showing, and 2 examples of that is physics. I had a physics and math test this week, and those are pretty hard subjects for me, and I got 100 on both of those, 100% on each of my physics and math. And I don't know if that has anything to do with water, but I do know that I am confident, and I'm riding high on confidence right now. Whether it's because of the water, I don't know, but I know that I'm doing better in school, and I'm focusing, and I'm not tired. So I feel like the water does have something to do with it. I'm also having less cravings for sugary drinks, such as sweet tea and lemonade. I used to drink those all the time. But now I wake up in the morning and I used to have an orange juice, but now I have water. And to show you what I used to drink, I have a gallon of orange juice right here. I used to drink 1 glass of this every morning when I woke up. And if you look on the label here, serving size 8 fluid ounces, calories that contains is 100, with 24 grams of carbohydrates and 20 grams of sugar. So over the course of 2 weeks, I've cut out that many calories, that many grams of sugar, and that many grams of carbohydrates per day. So whether that has an effect on my physical appearance, I mean, it's looking like it to me. I feel great. I really do. And then finally, my weight as of right now is 150.5, but I think it's fluctuating with water, but my BMI has stayed the same. So we'll see how it goes. And so far so good. Bye-bye.